Prior to having TRAKiT, we only utilized the permit tracking system in one very small siloed area, and that was to track building permits. That was all done on paper. When we went to TRAKiT, the ability to attach all of the documents electronically, having a consistent naming convention has been just night and day, really. Just having everything in one place is a great benefit to our customers.
Everything that we were asked for, it covered every corner of what we may encounter in terms of types of permits and our business process. So there was a lot of options and a lot of functionality that we would never use, but it was available for jurisdictions that might include that as part of their permitting process. I noticed that in implementation right away, that there was definitely several options and areas to capture data or your business process to run effectively with the options that were available in TRAKiT.
So what's really helpful is how you can build your permit tree, which you could do in our other software as well. But with TRAKiT, it's all really visible right there on the screen. So you can create a master permit, all your sub-MEP permits under it, and it's all right there and really visual. And with just switching to the site feature, you can see the history on all the permit history for one particular project, and that is really helpful, especially for our inspectors.
One of the features that helped us make our decision to go with TRAKiT was the GIS integration, and that was a really challenging piece of the puzzle to put together when we were doing implementation, but the TRAKiT staff working with my GIS team did a fantastic job of getting everything working together and a smooth process. And the ability to create a permit or create a project or to view information on a map is very useful for us and very helpful. So it's a big piece of what we do. With being able to customize TRAKiT and make the changes that we wanted to implement for our new processes, we were able to decrease our processing time from 14 days down to 1 or 2.
I can't underestimate how easy it is to use it, how intuitive it is really to sit down. Anyone that's familiar with permit software or computers in general, I think it's really easy to navigate the system, and it makes sense the way it is. Probably another strong suit to me is that it just works. It doesn't break. If your internet is working, TRAKiT is working. I've had other systems that have lost data. We've double entered because we're afraid of losing data. TRAKiT hasn't done that. It's there every day and it works.